Hi everyone! Let's do a quick stretch together to refresh our body and mind from work. You can play your favorite music in the background, do whatever it takes to treat yourself to feel good. You deserve this break. Sit at the edge of your chair. Keep your spine up straight, arms by the knees, shoulders relaxed. Close your eyes and start to check in with your breath. Deep inhalation. Long exhalation. Starts to bring the intention of the practice to your mind, whether it's to relax, to refresh, to refocus. Whatever it is, keep the intention in and everything else behind for now. Slowly roll your head to the right for a couple of times, syncing your movement with your breath. Inhale as you roll your head up. Exhale as you roll it down. Change direction, roll to the left. Come back to the center. Now bring your right arm towards the left. Press it towards you with your left arm. Take a couple of breaths here. Release any tension on your right shoulder. One last inhale. Exhale, switch sides. Make sure that your left shoulder is pushed down, shoulders away from the ears. One last inhale. Exhale, release. Now interlace your fingers together behind your neck. Inhale, open up your elbows and your chest. Look up. Exhale, chin to chest, round your spine, elbows close to each other. Inhale, chest out, look up, ribcage open. Exhale, round, ribcage close. One last inhale, chest out, look up. Elbows open as wide as you can. Exhale, round, chin to chest. Nice. Come back to neutral spine. Now interlace your fingers together behind your back. Inhale, lengthen up your spine. Exhale, push those fingers away from your shoulders. Really feel the stretch on your shoulders here. Join your palms together. Look up. Stay here for one last inhale. Exhale, release. Now let's stretch the side of our body. Bring both arms up. Inhale, lengthen up your spine. Exhale, bend to the right. Look up. Feel the stretch along the side of your body. Inhale, center. Exhale, bend to the left. Inhale, center. Exhale, right. Inhale, center. Exhale, left. Inhale, center. Exhale, right. Inhale, center. Exhale, left. Stay here. For a deeper stretch, place your left palm on your right thigh and stretch more. Bend more towards the left. Stay here for one last inhale. Exhale. Now roll your right shoulder forward. Draw a big circle with your right fingertips. If you don't have the space, just place your fingertips on your shoulder and roll your shoulder this way. And roll it to the back. Straighten your elbow if you have the space for a deeper stretch. Now bring your right arm back and look back. Feel the twist in your spine. Inhale. Exhale. Come back to the center. Let's do the other side. Both arms up. Bend to the right. Now let's place our right palm on our left thigh. Really feel the stretch along the left side of your body. Now roll your left shoulder forward. And roll it back. Bring your left arm back for that spinal twist. Look back. Stay here for 3, 2, 1. Come back to the center. Shake off your arms. Now, quick hamstring stretch, which is important, especially if you've been sitting for a long time today. Place your right foot on your left knee. Roll your right ankle to the left and to the right. Now hinge forward from your hips, fold as low as you can. Feel the stretch along your right hamstring. For a deeper stretch, gently press your right knee down. One last inhale. Exhale, switch leg. Left foot on your right knee. Roll your right ankle to the right and to the left. Now hinge your body forward and fold. If you want that deeper stretch, gently press your left thigh down. One last inhale. Exhale. Place both feet on the floor. Come back to sitting. Realign if needed. Straighten up your spine. Shoulders relax. Close your eyes. Take a big inhale. Fill up your lungs. Exhale slow. Deep inhale. Exhale long. With your eyes still closed, one last inhale. Give yourself a big smile. Exhale, relax. Palms together, thumbs to our forehead, reminding us to have clear and loving thoughts. Thumbs to our heart, reminding us to have clear and loving intention. Thumbs to our mouth, reminding us to have clear and loving communication. Namaste. Thanks for watching. If this helps, please like and subscribe for more videos in the future. Bye for now.